Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you how to crochet this easy basket. And you can make this into any size. If you want, you can also attach a handle to it and will be perfect for Easter. I have a separate video for the handle, and the link is in the description box along with the braiding pattern. The yarn I'm using for this project is cotton yarn, ribbon from Hobby. This is very flat, and it's really good for baskets and bags. This is a number 5 bulky yarn. Recommendation hooks are 5 or 6 millimeters. Each one is about 125 meters long. I used one of this and I still have a little bit left over. The hook size I'm using is a 6 millimeter hook, and you also need a pair of scissors and yarn needle. And lastly, this is my crochet ring. It is one of the best inventions I have ever made. It is to ease the paint on the finger so that the yarn is not pulling the finger. I highly recommend it if you crochet a lot. The link is in the description box if you want to find out more. Alright, let's get started. We start with a magic circle. So grab hold onto the tail and make a magic circle. This is the way how I made my magic circle, so it's entirely up to you how you make it. And voila! From here, one chain to begin round 1. Now place 10 half double crochet in the magic circle. That's yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. That's 1, yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can always pull the tail to make it smaller. 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one, 10. Now that we have 10 half double crochet, pull the tail to close the circle. To begin round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch. That's this one over here. And I always like to carry the tail with me. 1 chain. The 1 chain does not count as a stitch. In the same stitch, place 2 half double crochet. 1 and 1 more into the same stitch. 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. 1, 2 half double crochet. And the repeat for this round is to place 2 half double crochet into every stitch. By the end of the round, there will be 20 stitches, and I'll meet you on round 3. To begin round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch. 1 chain. In the same stitch, place a half double crochet. Increase in the next stitch. So 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, half double crochet, increase. So the repeat for this round is half double crochet, increase. By the end of the round, there will be 30 stitches, and I'll meet you on round 4. To begin round 4, slip stitch, 1 chain. In the same stitch, half double crochet, half double crochet, then increase. 1, 2. The repeat for this round is half double crochet into 2 stitches, then increase. By the end of the round, there will be 40 stitches, and I'll meet you on round 5. To begin round 5, slip stitch, 1 chain. In the same stitch, half double crochet, and half double crochet into the next 2 stitches. Total 3 half double crochet. Then increase. The repeat is half double crochet into 3 stitches, then increase. By the end of this round, there will be 50 stitches. As you can see, this is pretty straightforward, so I will not go on to show you every round. You may stop increasing once it comes into the size you want. If you want to make it bigger, you can follow the pattern on the screen. Basically, every round we're increasing by 10 stitches, and I'll meet you on the next part of the pattern. I just completed round 8 with a total number of 80 stitches all around, and it's about the size of my hand, so your number may be different from mine. To begin the next round, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain, and this does not count as a stitch. In the same stitch, place a double crochet into the back loop. The back loop is a faraway loop. That's yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Again, yarn over, insert into the back loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Again, into the next stitch. This round, place a double crochet into the back loop on every stitch. By the end of the round, we still have the same number of stitches of the previous round, 80 stitches. And I'll meet you on round 10. To begin round 10, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain. In the same stitch, but on the post, here, place a front post double crochet. That's yarn over, insert behind the post like this. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and finish it like a double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. On the next stitch, back post double crochet. yarn over, insert from the back behind the post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Front post, double crochet, back post, double crochet, front post, double crochet, back post, double crochet. And this is the repeat for this round. And I'll meet you on the next round. To begin round 11, slip stitch, one chain. The last round, we started with front post double crochet. On this round, on the first stitch, place a back post double crochet. On the next stitch, front post double crochet, back post double crochet, and front post double crochet. So this round, we're doing the opposite of the last round. Repeat this all around, and I'll meet you on the next round. Round 12 is the repeat of round 10. So slip stitch into the first stitch, one chain. On this round, we're going to begin with front post double crochet. Then back post double crochet. So we're doing the opposite of the previous round. And alternate the last 2 rounds for as many times as you like. I stopped at round 14, and I'll meet you at the end of round 14. At the end of round 14, after the last stitch, cut yarn. To join the round, use a yarn needle. Insert into the first stitch. And out from the back loop of the last stitch. And this way, it gives you a nice finishing look. Lastly, weave in the tail. If you want to make the handle, make sure to check out the video on how I made the handle for this basket. The link is in the description box. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to support this channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!